going. Wait. Okay, yeah.
I'm taking charge of the rat cam. Okay. Okay. Does anyone have a message to the viewers? Hello. That's a milkshake. Hey, Bailey. The red eye flashes twice. Okay. Let's make a cake, everybody.
That was only 2. Let me count one.
Brock, I have a message. Do you have a message? Do you have a message for the viewers?
I am God.
He's not. Did you break those shells? She ruined her cake.
Oh my gosh.
Is there any shell fragments?
Is there shell there?
We're professional cooks.
We're going to get it out.
Okay, don't try this at home.
What the hell is it, Rizzo?
They're good. Real good.
Oh gosh. Look at that sexiness.
That nasty
Oh yeah.
ass.
Get that. Oh, get it right there in the red spot.
Put it in there.
Oh,
Put it
yeah.
in there.
Oh yeah. Make that cake, baby. Oh yeah. Dude, put it in there. Put it in there. Because mama wouldn't eat it. She's like, oh my god, this is the best cake I've ever done.